Relax that right shoulder for me. Good. Beautiful adjustment there. Good. Relax this left shoulder. Beautiful here.
Serious?
Oh, beautiful. See how nice and easy that was, guys? That's exactly how you want it to be. Nice and clean and easy. Good. Just relax this arm. Perfect. Beautiful. A little bit more and then drop your left shoulder. Left arm too. Beautiful. Good. A little bit more. Drop your arm. Beautiful. Woo! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dr. Drew here. Welcome to the page. We are here at Forza Chiropractic in Arlington Heights. If you have not seen our page, have not seen our videos, make sure you take a look at them. We are posting daily content from ASMR, Y-strap, ring dinger, decompression, treatment videos, as well as a bunch of other tutorials on how to stay out of pain. So again, thank you for watching these videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you like my shirt. I know you guys do. This is why I wear it for you guys. And again, shout out to our guys Grayson for sponsoring the page. They hooked us up with this as well. Without further ado, today I'm here with Cindy. She's a recent starting patient with us. Came in about 2 weeks ago with some numbness and tingling in her arm, some weakness, shoulder pain. Her job forces her to literally be super anterior dominant on the phone in front of her consistently for 8 to 10 hours a day. We were just talking before this video how she was short-staffed at work and again had to pick up that load, and from there again, just that repetitiveness just is exhausting. So I don't want to tell her whole story. I'm gonna let Cindy just tell the viewers a little bit about yourself. Tell your story. How'd you find us? What obviously we've been doing. Again, we're at the second, as far as treatment, second week from where we're at, and kind of going from there.
Hi everyone, so I'm Cindy and I am a referral. So I have a friend that introduced me to this beautiful practice, and I am new to chiropractor in general. Originally I came in just with some back pain, and that kind of later transpired to like the arm and then the hand. I do a lot of movement, repetitive movement every day. So this was something that obviously I wanted to get resolved. And so I'm very thankful to be part of this family here on how to take better care of yourself. We don't really realize, you know, the things that we do daily that can affect us. So I'm excited to see what next week will bring. So right now, you know, I still have a little bit of weakness, and but I've seen major improvements just after a few visits overall.
Awesome. Shout out to all our referrals. Thank you guys again. We truly appreciate you guys referring to us. Shout out to Sheila for referring Cindy in as well. We love you, Sheila. Can't wait to see you soon. But without further ado, guys, we're going to go through Cindy's full spine adjustment. Any questions, any comments, anything you guys want to ask, shoot them in the comments below. We'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, we're about to blow it up here. Dr. Drew, Forza Chiropractic. Big stretch here for Cindy. Good. How's your hydration been?
Light today.
It's okay. Working on it. You've been using that TENS machine at all?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Keep up with that. Good. So we're going to start by working through the mid back here. A lot of tension in this area. Again, she's flexed forward all day. Very anterior dominant job. So I'm just going to have you take a deep breath in, Cindy. Good. All the way out. Perfect. Awesome. We got to get you that massage too. Help work on this tension. Relax that right shoulder for me. Good. Beautiful adjustment there. Good. Relax this left shoulder. Beautiful here. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. We're going to adjust this right hip. So I'm going to have you lay on your left side for me. Face me.
Okay.
Good. Keep that bottom leg straight. What's for dinner?
I don't know. Cereal.
Oh, beautiful. See how nice and easy that was, guys? That's exactly how you want it to be. Nice and clean and easy. Switch sides. Literally just putting Cindy in that side posture is, again, exactly what we want. Nice and easy. That spine just going back. We didn't have to force anything. Good. Perfect. Good. Relax your head. Good. Beautiful. Good. I'm going to have you come on up. Swing your legs to the left here. Good. Take a seat. We're going to get Cindy's shoulders adjusted here. So I'm just going to reach around. Good. Just relax this arm. Perfect. You guys aren't gonna hear a big pop out of these joints. Very small movements here. Beautiful, good. Just gonna motion palpate her neck. So cereal, what are you? Reese's Pieces, Cocoa Puffs, Fruit Loops? Or you like a basic like Kellogg's Raisin Bran?
Have you heard of O's?
O's, yeah.
You have?
I'm a Raisin Bran guy. My daughter's a Reese's Pieces. Good. Okay, we're gonna adjust this right side here. Good, bring that ear a little bit more and then drop your left shoulder. Left arm too. Beautiful, good. Take a look at this side here. Good, a little bit more, drop your arm. Beautiful. Woo! Tell the viewers how you feel.
Adjusted.
Yes. A lot of adjusting there. A lot of pops, cracks, audibles as we call it. Again, literally we are in the first footsteps of the treatment here. She's done a great job. Super coachable. She's hydrating, using her TENS machine, doing all of her at-home exercises and therapies as well. Cannot wait to see her progress in about 3 months. We'll do a follow-up video as well, guys, so make sure you guys take a look at that too. But Cindy, thank you for trusting us with your health. And
Come on in.
yeah, see you guys next video.